Here is a shot that has a whole bunch of characters in it. They're all soccer players, and this is taking place on a soccer field. I want to show Joe, my main character, on the soccer field, surrounded by everyone else, and there's a crowd in the distance and all that. But how do I make sure that my audience sees Joe, that they know he's the most important, the subject of this shot? Well, you want to draw your audience's eye towards the subject. How do you do that? Well, one is obvious. I put him right on this third line right here, and on that third line right there, where his head is at the intersection point of those two lines. The audience is more likely to know that. Notice that. What if I also put the edge of the soccer field right there? What if I made this be the field, and maybe there was a line, a white line right there, or the edge of a bleachers came in right there, or there's a, the motion could show the subject. Maybe I could have the ball go through the shot and wind up at Joe's feet right here. That would draw our eye. Eyes follow things that move. Or have another character run past and then stop behind Joe. Think of various ways that you can draw your viewer's eye towards the subject of your shot to make sure that people see what you want them to see. And the flip side of that is, don't distract viewers with a bunch of cluttered, busy things in the background that will pull their eye away from the subject. Don't have the ball be going over here if we're supposed to be looking at Joe.